So guys, my chicken wings are here, already washed and clean. I'm just going to season it. So I'll start by adding my spices. Here I have ginger and my barbecue spice. So this is a Benny powder chicken flavor stock. So we add that. My barbecue spice already contains salt, so I'm not adding more salt. So I'm just going to use that up. So I'm just going to set it aside and allow it to marinate the ingredients. Guys, it's time to pop it in the air fryer. Do not really leave it for long because we are going to be having it as lunch and we don't have time to eat. So let's chicken, yep. So let's check on our chicken. It's not yet ready, so we are going to be adding more time. Maybe 10 minutes more. Yeah, for our sauce we have 1 big onions, 1 scotch bonnet and 1 little paprika. I'm going to be blending more paprika, just that I don't have space for now. So guys, I have to change my blender. I don't know what is wrong with my manual blender, so I'm adding more bell pepper. Yeah, this is 1 bell pepper, 1 onions and 1 scotch bonnet. So let's blend this. What it's looking like. It's roughly blended. Meanwhile, the kids are here helping out with the carrots. Yeah, I want to prep carrots in the fridge. They don't almost peel and finish. Say hello.
Hello.
I'll start by adding vegetable oil to my pan. So I'm going to be using a little seasoning cube, which I'm going to be adding, and also some salt. Then I'm going to pour in my pepper mix. Yeah, the pepper, onions, and scotch bonnet that I blended roughly. So we are going to let that fry. So I'm just stirring it together. I'll cover it and allow it to fry. See, people, when they pick carrot, they don't eat half of the carrot. On our mind. So I'm going to be adding a little tomatoes puree. Because the scotch bonnet I'm using is super spicy, so if I don't have tomatoes, the kids cannot eat it. And I also want it to be like sauce because me, I'm using rice. I have my rice pot here. It's time to add in our chicken wings. I'll cover that and let it simmer on a low heat. Let's reduce the heat. So guys, food is ready. Yeah, I already have fries. I have a plantain. Yeah, Harmony wants plantain. Nita wants fries. So here is our sauce. Yummy, yummy. It had sauce on top of my own rice. I need this sauce. So guys, thank you for watching. Lunch is ready. We're just going to dig in right now. Bye guys, I'll see you in my next one. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.